Okay, here's a video I did because I had a Losi TLR. It was a ready-to-run buggy I bought on eBay. For some reason, either the speed controller or the motor got hot. Not sure which one it was, but I know I didn't want to buy a new brushless system. So this is just a few tips on converting your 22 to a brushed motor configuration. The main thing you want to do when you convert is you want a pinion gear with less teeth in it. I tried the the motor with the stock pinion gear, which is 28 tooth, and it got the speed controller really hot right off the bat. So I went from a 28 tooth to a 22 tooth pinion gear, and that seemed to solve the problem. You'd probably even go to an 18 tooth and it would still probably be fairly high geared. Another thing you have to worry about watch for is the size of the bearing on the motor. A regular 540 won't fit in a motor plate. If you can see the difference, this part right here, these two different motors, the motor plate won't allow for a standard 540 bearing size there. So what I went with is the only one I could find was the Fireball, Atomic Fireball. This is a 13 turn. And one thing you have to watch with these motors is they're real hard on speed controllers. I have a 12 turn speed controller, and this 13 turn motor just about burning up. So the only motor I know that'll fit in the Losi 22 is the Atomic Fireball. I have a 17 turn in there now, so I don't hurt the speed controller, and that's because of this bearing size right here, if you can see it, because the motor plate won't allow for a standard 540 motor in there for some reason. And other than that, it runs fine. It's actually a pretty efficient car. I got a 17 turn motor. I got a 4,000 milliamp LiPo in it. Got about 15 minutes of runtime out of it, and the Atomic Fireball 17 turn motor I think is a little underrated. It goes actually pretty fast for a brush setup. So that ought to get you started.